In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together in this window. Type for wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button. Then wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, I want you to close the window and then check if the error has been fixed. So try to open the store again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to run for SFC and DASM scan so that we can repair the corrupted files. How we can do that at the bottom search bar, type for the CMD, then wait until this command prompt first would be appear before we navigate to the procedure. Click on Run as Administrator, and if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So copy and paste the first command, and once you have completed the system scanning, proceed to the second, which is to scan the health, paste it here. And then once you have proceeded on that, then proceed to the third, then proceed to the or last command the moment you have completed the previous one. So once you have completed all of these commands, I want you to restart your device and check if the error has been fixed, okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.